After my visit to OmegaTown in Newport, Rhode Island, I've learned a lot more about omega-3s and how it supports a healthy heart, brain, joints, and eyes. Since my visit, I've been trying to include more omega-3 rich foods in my diet, like salmon and shrimp. But it's also important to take supplementation because our bodies need more than diet can provide. Most Americans are omega-3 deficient, and that does not exclude myself. After taking a blood test, I found out I was lacking in omega-3s as well. Since then, I've been taking MegaRed every day. It's a daily omega-3 supplement that can help increase your omega-3 index. I encourage you guys to include more omega-3s in your diet, starting with my shrimp curry, but also to start taking a supplement like MegaRed daily. It comes in a soft gel form and does not have a fishy odor or aftertaste.